what we all learn from this very small story. Many of us, I'm telling most of us might be experiencing such sort of setbacks and failures in our life. And once we fail, we give up and then stop trying. We believe because we are unsuccessful in the past, so we'll be unsuccessful in the future as well. But I think this is not the case in most of us, because most of us started actually conquering this failures. So let us all try to conquer the failures without thinking that the failures will be the end to our story. With that note, let me introduce today's Toastmaster of the day. He is my mentee. He has given 2 or 3 speeches before. Every time he used to discuss with me, every time he used to ask me my suggestions. Even this time too, he had asked my suggestions. Let us welcome and support our Toastmaster of the day to take the session forward. A big round of applause to our Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Varghese Chiran.
Thank you, President, for the astounding introduction, and I'm very thankful for that. Today, we start with water, simple drinking water. Why I'm taking water? It is very essential for all of us, and we know more about water. Just to start, the World Water Day is March 22nd. As you all know, this is a liquid, and in Earth, only 3% is proper water, and out of what we can get for drinking and for the inhabitants of the world, it's only 1%. So we should not waste water at all. Water comes in from the ground, also in icebergs, different way. There are different specifications for testing the water or related to the water, the specifications. Engineers, they know, but I would like to share. In Oman, we have Director General of Standards and Meteorology. In short form, it's called DGSM. In India, we have BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. Now, there is another concept or another standard which is very popular. It's called LEED, L-E-E-D, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, which is trending in Oman and all over the world. There is another standard which is called BREEAM, that is Building Research Establishment Environmental Assessment Method. And most of you know ISO, and EPA, that is Water Sense Environmental Protection Agency. And also World Health Organization also get into the water and its regulations. I would like to connect how water and our body is connected. Why we drink water, why doctors say, okay, drink water all the time, 3 liter, 2 liter, 4 liter, like that. Yes, for hydration. It carries the nutrients to all cells in our body and oxygen to our brain. Because we want to excel in our field. So we want our brain to work to the maximum. And water allows the body to absorb and assimilate minerals, vitamins, amino acids, glucose, and other substances. Water flushes out toxins and waste. Water helps to regulate body temperature, sweating when we do physical exercises. These are, we have to keep in mind so that we drink water in intervals with appropriate quantities. We listen or we get to know that we should not waste water. Why we should not waste water? I was thinking why we should not waste. Water is coming. It's okay. I have an answer. Few points to explain. Water is scarce and finite resource. It is not infinite. It is a finite resource. And water is necessary for all life. Wasting water increases the value of other commodities. It is directly proportional. It ensures that it can continually used for recreational purposes. We need water for recreation purpose for all the items. It improves water quality. If you don't waste water, the available water will have the quality water. There is so much that you can do with wastewater. We cannot do much on wastewater. There are a lot of expenses related to wastewater treatment and everything. Coming to the third, what are the business opportunities related to water? We are connected to water, so I'm looking on to that option. Can be an irrigation expert or business related to irrigation, agriculture, water purification services, mineral water production, that is a big business now, plumbing facilities, rainwater harvesting system, because in all over the world, the rainwater is going away to the sea within hours. So stop the rainwater and harvest them. Business related to swimming pools, water theme parks. And there is another big business through water, as you all know, by ships, by boat. And now there is a leisure also coming up in a big way. So these are all connected to water. Okay, how we can save water? We can save water by our own requirement. This is, we must save water. In our home, we have to see that there are no leakages. Even a small drop in every second, it comes to a big quantity. So we should not waste water, check the leaks, and irrigation, use the drip system like that. Coming to last, my points related to water. What are different types of drinking water? I thought there is only one or two or three. There are around 7 types of drinking water. First is alkaline water. Alkaline water, it has got a pH level of 8 or 9.5 with optimal drinking level of 9.5 pH. With reduced viscosity, alkaline water aids in circulating blood and oxygen more efficiently throughout the body. This is beneficial for those with high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and high sugar levels. It also contains antioxidants that help the body from harmful free radicals, substances that can cause infections, illness, and even degenerative diseases. Second, hydrogen water is water that has been infused with extra hydrogen molecules. It has detoxifying properties, help reduce inflammation. It boosts immunization, it boosts improve digestion, etc. Third one is spring water. I think when we go to Wadi or Nakkal, we know this spring water. It has got essential minerals. Then fourth one, it is artisan water. It's sourced in deep aquifers. It flows along the water-bearing rocks, and it's rich in calcium, optimal for bone health, etc. Then mineral water. We all know, I think most of us are buying the mineral water. Well water, no need for explanation. Then electrolyte water. This is good for, when we are doing more physical activities, this is really good. Let me take forward for the session